Watch where you're going. Is that funny? Do it again. All right, should we turn around and do it again? Oh, keep going that way?
Okay.
All right, keep going.
Stuck.
You're stuck, huh? I'll give you a little nudge. What was that? Oh, your wheel's spinning. Your wheels are spinning. Pedal. You're stuck. Oh no, what are we going to do about that? What do you think, Ellie? Alright, should we get you going? You need a little push again? Let's give you a little push. Push, push, push. You got to pedal though.